Picture this, a city perched on cliffs, connected by one of the most dramatic bridges in the world, and the journey to get there, just as breathtaking. Today, I'm taking you on a road trip from Gibraltar to Ronda, Spain, with stunning villages, historic landmarks, and views that will leave you speechless. Stay with me until the end, because the final viewpoint is one of the most jaw-dropping sights I've ever seen. The drive from Gibraltar to Ronda takes about 2 hours, but it feels like its own adventure. Rolling hills, hidden villages, and winding mountain roads. Honestly, I had to stop a few times just to take in the views. Alameda del Tajo. This 19th century park feels like a green oasis above the cliffs. Fountains, shady walkways, and the perfect spot for locals to relax. From here, you get your first glimpse of Ronda's dramatic landscape. The Bullring of the Royal Cavalry of Ronda, one of the oldest in Spain. Whether you're a fan of bullfighting or not, the architecture is incredible. Right outside stands the statue of Blas Infante, known as the father of Andalusia, reminding visitors of the region's identity and pride. Nearby, I stumbled on an outdoor theater. Can you imagine watching a performance with the cliffs of Ronda as the backdrop? Just a short walk away is the Mirador de Ronda, an observation deck that drops off dramatically over the gorge. It's one of those moments where you just stop and whisper, "Wow." The Church of Our Lady of Mercy adds a quiet, spiritual pause to the journey. Then it's on to the Plaza de España, the main square. Cafes spill into the streets, musicians play, and the energy here feels like classic Andalusia. Ronda's charm isn't just in the landmarks, it's in the streets. Narrow alleys filled with restaurants, colorful facades, flower pots hanging on walls. This is the kind of Spain you dream about when planning a trip. And here it is, the crown jewel of Ronda, Puente Nuevo. Rising nearly 100 meters above the gorge, this bridge connects the old and new towns. Standing here feels surreal, like you're on the edge of the world. For the best view, head to Mirador La Hoya del Tajo. From here, you can see the entire bridge and the cliffs surrounding it. Honestly, this was the highlight of my trip. The perspective is just incredible. On my way out, I drove past the Puerta del Almocábar, one of the ancient Moorish gates into the city. A quick reminder that Ronda's history stretches back centuries, with layers of Roman, Moorish, and Spanish influence. So that's my journey through Ronda, from a scenic drive through Andalusian villages to cliffside views that take your breath away. Would I come back? Absolutely. But now I want to know, if you had one day in Ronda, would you spend it exploring the streets or just soaking in the views? Let me know below.